Is about the hyperlinking in MS Word document. The hyperlink option will give facility to link other file with Word document. To link other file with the Word document, we have to go in Insert option. In the Insert option from the Links group, click on Hyperlink. A dialog box will appear. From the dialog box, you can select the file which you want to link with your current Word document. Suppose I want to link this file, which is a Excel file. So I have to select this file and click on OK. Here the path of the existing file will appear. To open this file, you have to click Control key. The pointer will change on hand pointer. Click. The file will open like this. So this file is linked with your Word document. Here in the hyperlinking, the path of the file is appearing. Suppose you want to appear some text instead of the path, then go in the insert, select hyperlink. In this dialog box, type the text. Suppose I'm typing click to open file and select the file. Okay. The text, instead of the path, this text will appear. Again, open the file, press the Control key and click on this. Click on yes. The file will open.